Good afternoon, students. Very happy to see you all in the afternoon session. Hope everyone is safe in home, right? So today we are going to see another important industry case study, which is related to our subject wireless ad hoc and sensor network. So already we gone through an industry case study. So we'll be having an aware on what the industry case study means, right? I will not go in detail on that. So today, similarly, we are going to see another important case study on how the sensor is going to apply in another field, right? So we'll go into that. So we've gone through an industry called Aditya Industries, where only we find uh, one common issues what they are facing under that. So that only we have considered here as a title. So the major thing will be, so they will be generating on manufacturing the two-wheeler and the four-wheeler engines for either it's for car and two-wheeler. So what they found will be the generation of heat will be more when the engine is continuously working on. So there we have a common point on that. So we are going to handle the case study on how to control the heat generated by petrol engine using sensors. This is a case study. So you will be knowing that what is meant by a petrol engine. So an engine is used to run either the vehicle or car with the help of using a liquid called petrol. That will be called as a petrol engine. So it will be used in both two-wheeler and car. So more number of heat will be generated if continuously engine will be working on, obviously a lot of heat will be generated. There may be a possibility of the engine may failure may occur, or the component may damage. In order to avoid this situation or scenario, we are going to consider this case study, and at the end of this session, possibly we will give some suggestion uh, of handling the issues in a better way for this problem. So this is our title. We gone to a company called Aditya Industries. We are working only on the manufacturing of petrol engine, either on two-wheeler or manufacturing of four-wheeler. So this is a company which we are considering a case study on that. So it belongs to trust area of data analytics, which is we are working on the data of these engines and how we are going to detail study on that. So that comes on the data analytic part. And regarding industry vertical, this is entirely based on the production of this company. So it comes on the financial aspect. That is why we are putting on the fintech, right? So before going to our empathy part on that, so we show on what is the petrol engine will look like Here the image of the petrol engine shows how the uh, working under the picturization of the petrol engine will have, right? So where the entire manufacturing and entire components which is comes under the this petrol engine part. So all the components are together with this. So we will till the heart of this called as a petrol engine. From this only we are going to spark the ignition of a vehicle. Next, we move to the what are all the internal components we'll be having on petrol engine. So just we will touching on the what are the major components we'll be having spark plug which is used for ignition. We'll be having cylinder head and we'll be having an engine block. We'll be having a coolant water, right? Just a view on the components. You'll be having a question that how the heat will be generated, right? So you will be having a piston under the engine, so it will be going on to and fro motion. So with the uh, heat generated between the piston and the piston ring, you'll be having. So obviously you'll be having a connection with that, and then a lot of heat will be generated when it goes on to and fro continuously. There it comes in the heat part of the component. Now we are entering into the empathy part. So we have a discussion with the industry Aditya. We have a conversation on the major issues of the company. When we are discussing with them company, they said that they are entirely focused on manufacturing of two-wheeler and four-wheeler engine. There is a issue that uh, there may be a possibility of engine may failure may occur during if engine is running on continuous for more than 5 hours, 6 hours, something like that. So the engine may fail during that cases. Uh, and what are the other empathy part we have with them will be it is very difficult to control the heat. Generally, the engine will be working on more than automatically the heat generated will be lot. We can't able to control that. So that is a major first difficult part during the empathy. Once it happen, obviously the engine may damage. If in that case happen, we have to make the component replacement, which leads to the expensive of buying the new component. So the cost expensive will be there and the replacement of component will be takes place. So these are the major common pain problem what they had. heat control is not possible. Engine may failure can cost expensive will be there, and possibly we have replacement of component. So when we have these all the empathy part, we move to the next phase of design thinking will be define part. So the common converging point during this session will be how to control the heat generated by the engine is a common point which we are arriving from the empathy part, right? So we'll move to the next phase will be define. So when you define the problem statement from empathy, so difficult to control, heat generated by the petrol engine. When we move to the ideation part, so when we have defined the problem statement clearly, so in this case we have defined the problem statement clearly, it's heat generation, how to control it is very difficult. So what we thought of ideation will be how to resolve this problem. So we think that using a sensor which is a low cost with high effectiveness is our motto. So we think that a sensor cost may not be more high, right? So we think can we place a sensor over the engine? The sensor in the sense it will sense the heat generated by the petrol engine, and once there will be a threshold value, we fix it on the sensor. Once if the threshold value is exceeded during the communicative transmission of petrol engine, the message will be indicated with the help of an application. There we have a first solution on a mobile-based application to control the heat by petrol engine using sensors. So we will place the sensor on that, and then the sensor will be connected with the mobile app, so that the every time continuously the sensor will sense the information and will transmit and received by the mobile application for the user to know about the temperature of the petrol engine. If this is the case happens, so uh, the damage of and the failure of engine can be avoided with the help of this hydration part. So the integration of engine with the placing of sensors, sensor is integrated with the mobile application. So information will be shared so that can be viewed the temperature on a regular basis. That is our first application. Here's the mobile application will be deals. So we are going to develop a mobile app. Under that, how we are going to send the information with the help of sensors. So next ideation, it came about the instead of using a mobile app, if a web application will be more suitable, because if an industry point of view you are going for manufacturing part, so a lot of engine will be manufactured, and before going for selling in the market, they will be testing under the industry itself. So instead of using mobile, say if your common web application will be in an industry to control or to check larger amount of petrol engine, around 10,000 or 1,000 number of engines will be tested, so that instead of avoiding the manual way, it will be more comfortable to test the heat controlling of petrol engine. So there it comes a web application part will be more useful in finding the solution. So here we are going to develop an web application, and again the same sensor will be placed on the petrol engine. Here the communication will be continuously monitored with the help of web application. Sensor will transmit to the web application. There you will be having a transmitter on the web application. So information will be stored and will be shared and will be viewed by the corresponding persons, and it will be monitored, and issues will be parallelly rectified, and it will reduce the heat combustion. So this is our second ideation part. So I will show small working of web application. So generally you will be having an application will be on the remote, and it will be connected with the web server, because once it is moving, so that communication will not be possible. We need a web server to communicate with the sensors. So communication will take with the web server. The web server will be communicated with the applications. This is where how the ideation part comes, right? So now we move to the end of our session. So we, I think you have a clear idea on how the solution find for the petrol engine, right? So I want to recap our session to have a clear understanding of our today's days. So we started with our title called Crystal on controlling heat generated by petrol engine using sensor. How to control heat for the petrol engine with the help of sensors. So we have an industry called Aditya, and it related with our thrust area and industry verticals. The image of showing the petrol engine component, empathy part. It focuses entirely on the difficulty of controlling the heat. When we go to the defined part, the common point which we have will be petrol engine of controlling the. First ideation part using mobile application to control the heat. Second ideation part, it is the instead of using mobile application, we will go for web application, right? So this is our today's session. This case study it entirely deals with the multidisciplinary idea. You can say that the engines are all on the manufacturing part. In that also, how the our sensor will be having playing a major role on controlling the heat. So it comes under a multidisciplinary case study, right? Now you can clearly understand that how the sensor plays a vital role in all the aspects of your day-to-day life, right? So with this, I conclude my session. If you're having any queries, you can ask. Thank you for the patience being for our session. Thank you.